Do you want to learn how to change hands on InstaDoodle? In this video, I'm going to help solve your problem. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let's get to it. So first, head over to instadoodle.app on your web browser and create a new project by clicking here, or if you already have made a project, go inside it by clicking on this or clicking on edit. Now, once you're inside this edit project page, on the right, you're going to find properties, and next to this, we have project. Click on it, and down here, you will find hands. Click on this, and currently it's selected Santa hand. And if I click on play on here, as you can see, it's a Santa hand. And what if I want to change it? Just click some other hand here. Most of these are on Pro version, so you need to upgrade to a Pro plan on InstaDoodle. Currently, I am at the basic plan of InstaDoodle. So I can choose these or these two. So if your video that you're creating is on Halloween, you can choose which hand. For example, if I switch to which hand and I play it, it's going to change it to that which hand. There's also a disable hand eraser here. And what this does is, if I disable it, it's going to remove that eraser animation. And I'll show you what it does. This thing over here in the second scene was the eraser animation. And if I disable this again, this disable hand eraser, you're going to not see that animation again. It's just going to have that fade and start drawing on top of it. That's what this thing does. And that's it. This is how to change hands in InstaDoodle. If you found this video helpful, let me know with a like and comment. And if you want a full tutorial on this, there will be a playlist on the right. You can click on it and check out all my how-to videos on InstaDoodle and the full tutorial inside it. See you there.